Are you struggling to make ends meet? You're not alone. Many people find it hard to save money on a small income. But with the right strategies, it's possible to save significantly, even on a tight budget. Take Georgia Leaker, a chef who manages to save about $10,000 a year on a $45,000 salary. Georgia uses 3 separate bank accounts for spending, savings, and rent. Her disciplined planning showcases that saving large amounts is achievable. Effective budgeting is crucial when your income is limited. Using multiple bank accounts helps manage finances better. With discipline and planning, saving $10,000 a year is possible. Small changes in daily spending can also make a substantial difference. Saving $10,000 on a low income demands smart spending habits and good financial planning. Focus on reducing unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving. To set realistic saving goals, aim to save about $833 a month or $192 weekly. This structured approach can guide you step by step toward your savings target. Begin by changing your money mindset. Adopt a savings-first mentality by prioritizing saving goals. For instance, Martina A. saves over $10,000 a year by focusing on what truly matters financially. Overcome limiting beliefs about money and embrace strategies that enhance your savings prospects. A strategic savings plan is essential. Break down your $10,000 goal into smaller, manageable milestones. Track your progress either digitally or manually to stay motivated. To save on housing costs, consider downsizing or house hacking. Renting out part of your home or sharing living costs with roommates can significantly reduce expenses. Transportation costs can also be trimmed. Explore car-free options like public transit or biking. If you must have a car, focus on regular maintenance to improve fuel efficiency and save on repairs. Save money on groceries by strategic shopping and meal planning. Create a list before shopping, buy in bulk, and prepare meals in advance to reduce waste. Even consider growing small home gardens for fresh produce. Identify everyday expenses to cut back on, such as entertainment and clothing costs. Utilize public libraries, choose secondhand clothing, or streamline personal care routines to find savings. Eliminating high-interest debt frees up cash for savings. Focus on paying off debts like credit cards first. Negotiate lower interest rates with creditors if possible. Frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing joy. Enjoy affordable fun by cooking at home or finding free community events. Socialize through cost-effective activities like potluck dinners or hikes. You can also consider income-boosting side hustles. Options like freelancing, online surveys, or local tutoring allow you to increase earnings without changing your job. Leverage technology to enhance budgeting. Use apps like Capital or Mint to automate savings and track spending. These tools simplify money management and propel you toward financial goals. Now you know how to save $10,000 a year on a low income. Focus on a savings-first strategy, cut costs effectively, and track your progress. Each step forward will bring you closer to financial stability. With discipline, saving $10,000 or more is possible. Start today.